Snorkeling? No. I mean, up to you. Do you want to snorkel? Maybe.
What time? It's snorkeling.
Okay. Oh no, not on this trip.
No?
No. We're good.
For you stay here, the Pig Island, up to you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Before you stay here, one people the 50 baht.
Yeah.
The pig. Before you know, can put your hand to buy.
We got it last year.
Yeah. No good. The pig. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. Okay.
Appreciate it, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Whew. Whoa, how hot do you reckon it is?
30 odd, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in the 30s.
Saw that boiling when you turned on that, by the way, this morning. Yeah.
That's hot.
Got your trainers, so you left them?
Yeah, I chucked them up there. You can have one if you want.
Thank you, and good balance.
Middle.
Sit down.
In the middle.
Me?
Yeah, I think so. Top speed. Thank you. We don't need shoes, do we?
Hand gets fucking up, but
yeah.
I've got trainers, to be fair.
Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Absolute legend. Perfect. Thank you. I think I will leave them there. I'll leave them? That's cool? Okay. Thank you.
What stand by?
Wow. Welcome to paradise. Check the pigs out. Like a big fat Chris pig. Hello. 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 God, you're rough. Hey, you got rough skin. Hello. Hello. They must be always full, like constantly.
Yeah.
Hey, hello. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, the tiny ones. Mate, look at this pig. Hello. A pig in the mud. Hello. Hello. Hello, pigs. Hey, not you. Hey. Hey. No. Hey.
What's it?
Chasing me.
Hold the plate. Or
Yeah.
put it on the floor.
Crikey, you've had enough. Look at the size of you. No. Look at the size of this one. Mate, get away. Ready? You're ready. All right. Right. Okay. 3, 2. What? What? Oh, mate, no one's messing with that big one. Look at the size of these balls. Look at that, mate.
Oh, wow.
Mate, you are a hungry boy, you are. All right, can I have it? Thank you. Go on with a plate, mate. Hello. Funny thing. Hello. Get it back, Sean.
Mate, this one's so cute.
Welcome, cat brother. Thank you very much. All right. Straw. Thank you. Welcome, cat.
Thank you.
Cap. Oh, mate. Paradise.
What is it?
Yeah, that's banging. It's no milk in it or anything, it's just...
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
the water
yeah.
and the coconut water, or some
Yeah.
form of water.
So you accidentally ordered an extra... Yeah.
He ordered a coconut shake, banana shake, and then whatever food we had, but he She also said pineapple.
But then I corrected him and said no.
Yeah. And then
And
it
then,
still went ahead.
and then he tried to give us a banana.
I saw that. One banana.
Pennies left.
Mate, look how clear this water is. Look at that. Big island, mate. It's awesome. Pricey, but awesome. You want me to take a photo?
Can you?
Yeah, yeah, no worries.
Thank you.
Oh, you can get it. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it's sorry.
Sorry. You sure?
Thank you.
Okay. All right, be fast about it. It's gotta be snappy, girl. Yeah, I'll take the focus from him.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Get another one. 1. Nice. Have a look.
Thank you.
That's good. What's your name?
Kaya?
Ah, nice to meet you, Chris. Nice to meet
Hello,
you.
where
Nice
are
to
you
meet
from?
you. I'm from Wales in the UK.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, not as hot as it is here.
Yes.
And you? Germany?
I'm from Germany and Denmark.
Oh, nice, nice. I've actually just got back from Hamburg.
Me?
Me,
You?
Hamburg and Munich.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's cool.
Just go shopping and that's it.
Yeah, for sure. He doesn't like this side. Oh.
He's a real model.
It's going to take someone's hand off soon, this pig.
Oh, he's doing good.
Whoa! Come on. What? You are very cute. You are very cute. What should we name you? What should we name you? Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. See ya. Oh, fuck, I got my top on. Fuck. Hello, fluffy dog. Hello.
He's well friendly.
Yeah, hello. That's your funny dog. Thank you, sir. Back on the old bootsies then, oh mate. Well, oh, what a time. What a time, mate. Strong man. Cool. Cool.
Number, telephone and car.
Our car.
Car you?
Yes, car 1, 2, 3 of us.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah,
What-
okay.
Yeah. I think. Yeah. Communication barrier, but I think we're in a car. And now we're just in the middle of the Thailand seas.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.